Alright guys, welcome back to the channel again. Got another install video for you today. We're going to be putting on the JLT catch can or the oil separator for the C7 Corvette here. Links will be in the description below if you are interested in buying one for your Corvette or your Mustang or Challenger, Camaro, whatever. Links will be below. You can find the same place where you can get those. But let me go ahead and just show you how to put this on. It's real easy, shouldn't take any time at all. Let me show you how to put it on and let's go ahead and get going. Alright guys, so the first thing you want to do, let's go ahead and open the hood up. And what you'll need to do this install is a screwdriver, not a flathead, but a regular screwdriver, okay? A 10mm socket and wrench with an extension. And pretty much what's gonna go, this 10mm bolt right here on the sensor, you're gonna take this off. The bracket's gonna go right on top of here. It's gonna face inwards this way, and the rest of the hose is gonna route into here. Now, what you'll have to do to get the PCV line off is you'll take it off, and what's gonna happen here is, let's see, I'm trying to get this held, put it in the same pot. There is this little hose right here. This is the PCV line that you'll see right here that I'm pointing to. Go ahead, there's two clips, one on the bottom, one on the top. Little tabs, go ahead and push those tabs in and pull out, and then that thing will come off. So let's go ahead and do that now. Okay guys, as you can see, there's the old PCV cable there, valve. So let's go ahead. We're gonna put the JLT on the bracket, bolt it up onto the car, and then we'll put the hoses on. Alright guys, so what you're gonna do here is, here's the JLT catch can, here is the bracket. You're gonna place this on top of the bracket, and then the two screws are gonna go right into there, screw it in, and then the 10mm bolt that we're gonna take off, we'll put the bolt right on there. So let me just go ahead and do that. Alright guys, so as you can see, here's the engine again. So we're going to be removing the bolt that's right here, this one that I'm pointing to. Go ahead and take that off, and then we'll put the bracket on. Okay, take the bolt out, put it to the side. Let's grab our catch can. It's going to go placed right where that spot was, right here. Grab your bolt, stick it back in there, and then let's tighten. Okay guys, and then don't forget to put on your hoses. The longest hose on the side where the T is on the top, that one's gonna go to the bottom, and the one on the other side that has the J on the side, the smaller one, that one's gonna go on the top. Alright guys, so once you make sure your lines are all plugged up, which they are, there's the JLT catch can, and there is the finished product. It's all bolted on and all ready to go. Pretty simple install, very easy. There you have other brands on the market, but I went ahead and went with JLT because I've heard good things from them in the past with other people using them in other cars. But yeah, that's pretty much it there guys. Now one last thing that I do want to show you. So it does screw off, and I'll kind of just show you it right now as we're taking it off. So whenever you need to, empty it, you go ahead and empty it after, a track day, drag racing, or just long. Stop there. Watch out, it might fall out like it just did there. So just make sure you catch it. But there's the container right there. So then go ahead and stick it back on. Alright guys, well I hope y'all enjoyed the video of the install of JLT oil catch can, and if y'all want to watch more videos, then go ahead and watch them because I'm going to have more installs coming and more other car meets and stuff like that. So don't forget to like and subscribe if y'all enjoyed the channel and y'all enjoyed the video on this one. Go ahead and follow my social medias, and I would really appreciate it guys. Tell your friends and spread the word. But until the next video guys, y'all have a good one. The Rogue Vet out. Peace.